Today, I'm going to show you how to level up your voice to create awesome videos. I'm going to outline exactly what style of voice to use, how to convey powerful emotion, and use humor to sell people on your products and on you. Hi, I'm Vincia with Teleprompter Mastery. Let's get started. What is it that makes your voice a powerful tool? Speaking with passion, but it doesn't stop there. It goes far beyond speaking.
Hello there!
Speaking is just like singing. Your brain actually doesn't know the difference between the two. Crazy, right? We use our voice to influence the people all around us. Your voice, combined with your body language and facial expressions, creates your first and lasting impression. Your audience judges if you are trustworthy, sad, angry, and unhappy, all by the tone of your voice. So use your voice like an instrument. Like a piano, it will be boring if you hit the same note again and again, repeatedly. Instead, you play high notes and low notes, varying your pitch and rhythm to make it interesting for your audience. Depending how you play your voice determines whether your audience is going to listen to you or completely tune you out. Pro tip for you: practice a short script repeatedly. Record yourself reading it and play it back, listening closely for what you could improve, bringing more energy and emotion to it each time. Have your cameraman or friends critique your voice, lending their impartial opinion and coaching you on where to improve. Most speakers tend to only use 1 to 2 notes when they talk, which was totally me growing up. Every time I had to go in front of a crowd, I would start sweating, stuttering, and completely losing thought of my speech. The crowd would easily wander off. They'd start talking, being on their phones, getting up, and totally not listening when I was talking. My voice was so monotone. I would change up a few words when I was trying to show excitement, or other forms of emotion, which was not cutting it. The problem with that is you're being predictable. Be unpredictable. It's like a game almost, or a story. Have fun with it. Explore your voice. Explore your instrument. Okay guys, I've already scripted my next 2 videos, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button right now. When you first open your mouth, before you even start your speech, you need to sell 2 things: happiness and friendliness. To do that, you will need to use as much melody as possible. Exceed the amount. When you're nervous, you tend to go back to 1 note, your comfortable tone. You need air. Breathe. Volume is an indicator of a lot of things, and you can control that by combining the melody with the volume. Without any melody and just straight volume, you tend to sound mad or angry. Your volume level should reach about 10 feet away from you. Fill the entire room with your presence, voice, and sound. Just because you can hear yourself doesn't mean that everyone else in the room can. Project your voice and be heard. Many people think their voice is louder than they think. Being quiet isn't safe. Furthermore, you need to be able to prove that you are grateful. This is a major point in the public speaking aspect. Sell it, but don't sell it too much. You don't want to sound fake, okay? Okay, you don't want to sound nervous, nor soft, or monotone. So start with lots of volume and melody. Combined gives someone an instant feeling that you are happy and grateful. Many people tend to fall short at the end of a sentence, making people believe that they are done with the speech. So to avoid that, cluster the notes. Make each transaction smooth by connecting words and vowels. You tend to sound jumpy when you don't combine the words together, almost like a disconnected sentence. Say each line with 1 smooth stream of air, holding on to certain words. Once you get to a period or a comma, stretch it out. Give the illusion that you want them to wonder. Like I said earlier, be unpredictable. Speak as if you are singing. The last word before a comma or period is the most important because it tells the audience if there is more coming or if you are done talking. Go up when it gets to a comma or a period with your voice. Leave the audience hanging so they know there is more coming. And once you're done, trail off with a lower note. When someone is speaking a lot, they tend to fall into a squeaky hinge noise. and they tend to trail off too soon. The voice drops, making you sound weak, shy, tired, and it throws away important words in the sentence, and filling the dead space with ums, yeah, sounding very unprofessional. Keep the dead space. It's a gift to the audience, and it allows them to think about everything you just said. Final tip. What role are you playing in your video? Are you playing the role of a scientist, or is it a comedy skit?
Want to hear a joke about paper?
Yeah.
Never mind, it's terrible.
Your voice will be the powerful tool to match or to contrast with the expectations of your audience. Sometimes it pays to be unpredictable. Other times, you want to be the role and be utterly convincing. Regardless, kick your energy up to a 10 and own your character. A lot of people ask me, what is my best secret to producing a killer voice? A teleprompter. Did I forget to leave a tip? If you have any voice confident tips, leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. In my next video, I'm gonna go into detail exactly how you can use a teleprompter for voice training. And with that, I'm Vincia with Teleprompter Mastery. And that's the tea.